Sucked.
Okay, in this video, we're gonna show you how you can play the Subway Surfer in the most fucking way. Okay, are you ready?
Ready?
Ready? Ready. Okay, you play it.
Play.
You see? You see?
Una pa lang.
His eye touch is not even responding. Okay, you see how he cross, collect the coins, and run.
Jump?
Jump. Can you see?
Pakita yung score.
Can you see? In the first run, he actually scored around 348. Okay, let's do a second run, okay? And see if the score will even reach a 4-digit. Okay, okay, 1, 2. Will the volume affect the gameplay?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Concentrate na ako. Hindi na molekta na.
See? You see how fucking stupid the player is?
Your device doesn't compare.
Hindi kaya na, ano? Diversion. Mang!
Hindi, final na to.
Okay. This is actually the third run. If you've been watching the video, as you can see from
Hindi
the...
mo pwede upgrade yung ano yan? Ayos niyan?
As you can see, the first and the second run and hoping this... Okay, as you can see, the 3 runs...
natin yung lahat mga
The 3 runs, he did not even reach a 10,000 mark. You see the top score? It's just 1-4. It's like 2 minutes of gameplay. Stupid.
Ang galing ko na kaya, practice makes perfect.
But nobody's perfect, so why practice?
Ano dyan, daya naman nun eh.
So what can you say about your performance? Come on, you explain yourself.
Fucking good.